It seemed like they are talking with each other. Children, what do birds talk? Have you ever given it a thought? See, we are talking about birds. Do you think they also talk about us? Dear ma'am, I want to sing this. Oh, great, Navi. So, why don't you try it? Let's start. Tink, said the robin. Tink, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about the people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Wow, oh my God, Navi, you have sung it so beautifully. I'm so happy for this. You know what? I'm feeling like hearing it from you again. Why not all of us sing together? So, all my dear learners, learning through this video, you all can also sing. So let's come and sing together. No one should be left. This is wonderful. Let's start. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day, talking one day. Think about the people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Things, said the robin. Things, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Now it's your turn.